Majesty, the traditional rulers, my colleagues, because I am myself a traditional ruler. Dear elite, notable, reps and doctor of the Southwest region, the cocoa producer of the Southwest region, who are recognized, and I extend my congratulations for the excellent job and for the excellent also return from the market. I tell you all my great esteem, the producer of cocoa. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a genuine pleasure and a distinct honor for me to be here among you in this beautiful city of Kumba, headquarters of Moteh Division and the historic God's Hall town in the Southwest region, affectionately called K-Town. I stand before you to represent the Prime Minister, head of government, who has instructed me on this historic occasion to preside on his behalf over the official ceremony to lay the foundation stone for the construction of a modern center for the storage and filling of domestic gas bottle here in Kumba for the Southwest region, which is indeed, I say it loud and clearly, is a great gift, a marvelous gift, a special gift of the heads of state, His Excellency President, for the Southwest region. I seize this opportunity to express to the Prime Minister my profound gratitude. First and foremost, allow me to thank the City Mayor of Kumba for his kind and gracious words. In the same vein, I would like to express my sincere gratitude for the warm welcome that you, the population of the Southwest region in general, and those of Kumba in particular, who mobilized very great numbers, graciously extend to me and my delegation. Thank you very much. Thank you. This enthusiastic turnout undoubtedly reflects the legendary hospitality of my brothers and sisters of the Southwest region and the importance you place on the development of your area. I cannot forget to extend a heartfelt and resounding thank you to all the ladies and notables of this locality who spare no effort in ensuring the organization and success of this wonderful, beautiful ceremony. Your presence here today is ample proof of your friendship, your patriotism, and your solidarity with all the initiatives aimed at improving the living standard of your fellow citizens. I am really grateful of what I have seen here, and I will report it. You saw that I will report it. I will be the witness, personal witness of what I have seen, of what I have heard here. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, in line with the President of the Republic, His Excellency Paul vision to bring domestic gas closer to the consumer, the government, through the Hydrocarbons Price Stabilization Funds, has launched an extensive ecosystem program to build filling centers in remote areas with fragile ecosystem to promote the use of domestic gas in households. After Ebola, a few days ago, which is